Well, today I'm going to start up the old plow trucks that I have not yet begun my restoration on it, mainly because, well, I need the old thing. So, Mother Nature's on the mends again. We've got a nice mild day. Keys are in it. I'm going to install a high idle switch in this. I just haven't done so yet. I got a brand new battery in it. I just installed it a couple weeks ago. I got 2 dead glow plugs still. So the engine does hesitate for a bit, puffs quite a bit of smoke. Once the cylinder head gets hot, it does quit. I actually enjoy that squeaky fan belt. 8-foot Meyer C-Series plow blade on it, poly blade. Works good, never had a problem with it. I just use the truck for my own personal yard. There's no money in plowing other people's driveways. E60 pump. Just trying to keep water over there. Last year I used to park the truck in the garage. I don't anymore. Nice and quick. I had an E47 on here before. It was pretty slow. Still did the job. It was old and tired and outdated. Couldn't really get parts for them anymore, so I upgraded to an E60 truck. I purchased used. It works good for what it is. I do plan on doing a frame off restoration to this truck. But like I say, I need the truck in order to clean the yard, so I mean, I kind of gotta get, get sandblasted and mobile again before winter starts to set in, and it's kind of difficult to do that. So, I don't know, it's not really on the top of my priorities right at the moment. 6.5 turbo diesel. Now let's replace a basic plain Jane beat everyday work truck. It runs good. I have driven it in the summertime up the highway. I mean, it runs good. Air conditioner works. Mounted the PMD unit over here away from any heat source. Like I say, I'm going to mount a high idle switch in the truck. If you apply power to pin 6 and 7, if you apply power to pin 6, you'll get 1100 RPM, basically where I am now. If you do pin 7 or pin 8, I can't remember, I think you get around 1400. So 1400, I mean, that's 1400 right around there, give or take. I mean, that's not a bad speed. But I think 1100 is good. Diesels, roller rockers in these, I do believe, I mean, idling for extended periods of time real low. I mean, you want to get the oil up to the top of the block, of course, but usually you're all right once you start working it. You don't really want to work it too hard when it's cold either. Like I say, you got to get that oil up there. So I mean, if I had a high idle switch around 1100 RPM like right now, Probably wouldn't be too bad. Gives the truck a little bit of a chance to warm up also. But anyway. But, you know, easier said than done with my schedule. At some point I probably will, once I find time. Did the rockers last year and the floors. But like I say, like, you know, it still requires work. Just haven't had any time to do it. I do have rockers for the other side. Mind you, the rocker on the passenger side isn't bad, but I'm just going to do it anyway because, well, I bought them, might as well do it. But like I say, this thing really should be on the front page, Fox Nation's Facebook page. But like I say, I like to restore stuff, so eventually at some point I will give it a body job. Like I say, yeah, see here, like this rocker's actually not in bad shape. The floor was a lot better on this side. The doors are done. I mean, I think the bottoms are, yeah, see, the bottoms are pretty well done. Yeah, see, like, I'm gonna get new doors for them. LMC makes those. Actually, you can get those anywhere. Even a lot of scrapyards probably have a decent set of doors you could put on. But like I say, cab corners too. I'm gonna do those up. So, like I say, it's just your standard work truck. I've used it a lot here in the yard. You know, it was a contractor's truck at one point. Purchased down around Toronto. The only reason I bought it is because it's a diesel. And I really wanted a diesel truck. But like I say, I bought it because I just needed something to clean the yard with. And, you know, I've had it since, what, 2015 or 2016. So, I mean, it's done me very, very well. But like I say. So, 1998 GMC K2500. That one over there is a C3500 two-wheel drive. On very nice truck. That truck's done me very well. 5-speed in that one with a 6.5 turbo diesel. Turbo quit in this one. Bearings, I guess, are done. I need a new turbo for it. So basically it's non-aspirated. I have no power. It'll just dump raw fuel right through the injectors, and it's gutless. So need a turbo. Need to get that fixed up. But like I say, fixing something like this isn't too bad on the pocketbook, but diesels aren't exactly cheap to fix neither. Anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy your long weekend, guys. Christmas is 2 days away, so Merry Christmas. See you in the new year.